Hey guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. I've picked up some more plants today from one of the big box stores and I wanted to show these to you. This little container here, this little terracotta pot, I gave $7 for. It's got a Pearl von Nuremberg in it. I don't know if that's a Pachyphytum. And then I have this. Don't know what it is, probably an Echeveria. And then there's already some leaves that's come off that have put on roots already and put on a little rosette there. And then I have this little pot. These leaves were already putting on new plants, and I went ahead and put them in a pot. You can see how they're growing. This is like a little 2-inch clay pot. I'm very proud of this. I'm going to let these grow. You can see one of the leaves is already shriveling. Looks like a pearl. And then this is an Echeveria. It's called Big Blue. Very pretty, and this is also in a little 2-inch pot. This is just some propagation I've got going on in a little pot. I didn't purchase it, it's just one I've had here. And this is a Haworthia that I purchased. It came in a little 2-inch pot and I replanted it in this little red 2-inch pot. It's doing good. It's also got little babies on the side there. Thought it was a good find. And then this will be my 4th black prince, an Echeveria black prince. I have killed every one that I have purchased. So far, this one is doing good. There's no sign of rot. I have not watered it, and I don't plan on watering it unless I see the leaves shriveling. Because if I ever bring one home and it changes its environment, that's when I get rot in this plant, and I usually am not able to save it. So this one was outside on a bench. That's how they were selling them. I got these at Kroger, not a big box store. I told you wrong on that. I got this at Kroger's, and they were being stored outside. So I have left this outside on my potting bench, and that's where I'm going to keep it until I can get it into the greenhouse. And so far, it looks great. It hasn't dropped any leaves. Usually every time I bring one home, it starts dropping leaves immediately, and then you'll notice at the base that it's rotting. So I'm hoping I'll be able to save this one, and it'll be my first one that I get to keep. But the others are very healthy looking, and I'm very proud to have them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I love seeing any kind of leaf putting on a new plant. And I'm hoping these will really grow fast. They seem to like the environment they're in right now. It's actually very humid and a lot cooler, so they're doing really good. And I really love this one. I have not had this plant before. This is a Big Blue. It's an Echeveria. So I hope you like this little haul that I have from Kroger. And I'll give you an update on these when I get them in the greenhouse. But I think they're doing great, and I'm very proud to add some new plants. I actually have not bought any all summer because I didn't have any place to put them. But now that I know I'm getting ready to go into the greenhouse, I thought it was time. So it's been very hard to control myself and keep myself from purchasing a lot this summer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments.